To capture screenshot on the Redmi Note 14S, there are like around 4 ways to do this, and I will quickly show you all of them. The first method to capture a screenshot, and the default method, actually classic one, is to press and hold, simply press simultaneously the power button and the volume down button, and as you press them simultaneously, this will capture the screenshot. So this is the first way. The second way, also the classic way to perform a screenshot, capture the screenshot, is to simply go into your quick settings, and right here there is the button with the scissors. This is the button to capture a screenshot. Simply press it and this captures a screenshot. So this is the second way. And the third way is you can use the three finger shortcut. You can simply put 3 fingers on the screen and slide down, and this will also perform a screenshot, but you need to make sure that this shortcut actually is enabled. And you can simply go into the settings. From here you have to scroll all the way down, go for the additional settings, and then go for the gesture shortcuts, and right here there is this option to take a screenshot, and as you are here there is this option to slide 3 fingers down to perform a screenshot. There's also the screenshot with the volume down button and power button, so to make, depending on which of these shortcuts you prefer, make sure that these two are actually enabled to be able to perform the screenshot. So this was the third way to perform a screenshot, to capture it, and the fourth way actually is you will have to go for the settings, go for the additional settings then, and you'll have to go for the accessibility menu. Accessibility simply. Then you have to go for the accessibility menu and enable this accessibility menu shortcut. After that, press allow, and right here there is this little button with all of different shortcuts, including the screenshot, which is right here. And simply press this button, and this will also capture the screenshot. And this is the fourth way to capture screenshot on the Redmi Note 14S. So that's how we can do this.